Max, Magnificent Angels and Night Squad. Akalain nyo yun? Umabot tayo ng isang taon. Na-imagine nyo ba na aabot tayo ng ganito katagal? Well, congrats sa ating lahat na nandito. Especially sa mga admins na nakasubaybay at nakasupport pa sa squad hanggang ngayon. Top your tough, loyal souls. Max, Angels, and Knights. As to celebrate this special milestone together, I want to take a moment to extend my deepest appreciation to each and every one of you who shared your time, laughters, stories, and even your quiet presence with me inside the OFO app. To the Pioneer members who helped build the foundation of this squad, thank you for your unwavering support and memories that still makes us smile. Paolo used to be the co-owner, says the previous co-founder, and to the ex-admins of this PR or Max, or known to be Mako, Lance, Zia, JL, Jeff, Crazy, Judy, Kendall, and Khalid. Maraming salamat sa inyo dahil kayo ang unang bumuo sa Max. Thank you very much for joining in this PR and growing with the owner Chai and making this farm grow more. And kahit I came in the later part of the month, because I came here mid-June of 2004, nakapagpatayo kayo ng poste dito sa Max. And to those who have gone their own way, to those who have came back and still coming back, know that you are always part of this journey and this fam or this squad, and you will never be forgotten. And even to those who didn't return, your footprints remain in the moments we once shared. As we celebrate this meaningful milestone together, I'd like to take a moment to give a huge shout out to some special individuals who've added color, laughter, and love to our squad over the past months. Kasi pag wala kayo, walang matatawag na Magnificent Angels and Night Squad. Special shout out to Johan, the one and only vagabond of Max, yung nag-iisang gala. For whole year since your first breakup, you've wandered far and wide, yet you always carry the Max badge with pride, and we thank you for that, for your loyalty and unique spirit. To Marco and Tyne, thank you for staying until the end. I know both of you have felt the weight of pain and misunderstanding in your own life at sa sarili ninyong buhay, but sana the joy, the laughter, the friendships outweigh those heartbreaks. Your presence means more than you know, guys, lalo na sa nanay ninyo. And Teresa, thank you for always coming back again and again and again. Even when things weren't perfect, kasi alam naman natin may mga bad memories kayo dito, but you still chose to return here. And that says a lot about your heart and the band that we share here. I guess the band, that the attachment is making you come back here, Risa. Pags, happy 1 year sa'yo. Kahit tutang minsan, you still give your best. Pilit mo pa rin nilalaban ang pag-MC. Sinasalo ang lahat ng ulo ni Chai, sakit ng ulo ni Chai, init ng ulo ni Chai. Kasi kahit pinapagalitan ka, you still do your best. And patuloy na nagbibigay ng serbisyo kahit kailan kakailangan. And we are so proud of you. Saludo ako sa'yo. To Miss Queen, salamat sa pagsalo kayo, Brags, when things got tough. Kasi yun na nga, minsan lutang si Brags, ikaw na nandyan, sinasalo mo siya. To Jassy and Riri, especially sa'yo, Riri, maraming salamat. Thank you for always being just one chat away whenever we need you. Your presence and readiness mean a lot more than you know. And to John, nalulubog lilitaw mula nung na-in love at hanggang sa na-broken. Alam ko hanggang ngayon, niisip mo pa rin yung heartbreak mo. But, saludo ako sa'yo. Maraming salamat sa'yo. Kasi kayo ang pinakaunang bumuo sa squad. Rasha and Yured, malaki ang naging ambag nyo dito sa Max family. And I am so thankful for that effort, the care that you've shown throughout, lalo sa panahon na kami nagpahinga sa OFO. Hindi nyo iniwan yung nanay nyo. Kayo ni na Marco at Tyne. Tunik, na kahit ulaga, maraming salamat sa tawa, sa samahan. You bring a special energy that always welcome. Lalo na kay honor natin. And Joy, maraming salamat sa iyo na ibahagi mo ang contribution dito sa grupo. You've helped shape this family into what it is now. And also to Kenzo, nakatatak talaga sa amin yung tawa mo. Yung ha ha ha. Hey. Maraming salamat sa iyo ha, Kenzo. And to Mark, yes, laging late sa event. Nanonotice daw yan ni Honor. Pero okay lang yan. Kasi your presence, kahit sa huli, is always appreciated. Better late than never nga, diba? And to Holy Father or Kyle, yung bunso ng squad. Thank you for bringing the life, good vibes, and endless fun to Max. Hindi matatawaran ang saya na nabibigay mo sa amin. Lalo na sa nanay mo. And to Sinetsu, paano ba? Wala akong masabi sa'yo eh. Basta, hindi ako makapaniwala na self-proclaim ka talaga na anak ka. Pinapanindigan mo hanggang ngayon, kahit na medyo nawala tayo ng ilang buwan, proud na proud ka pa rin. Sabi mo, nanay ko yun eh. Wala, maraming salamat talaga sa'yo. Yan lang masabi ko sa'yo. And kay Abu, malaki din natulong mo sa fam na to ba? Nung kami naglaylo, ikaw ang sumalo, ikaw ang tumulong na umangat pa rin atong squad natin. And hindi ko man nasasabi sa'yo, pero I appreciate it very much. Maraming salamat sa'yo. All the admins and every single member of Max, mula sa mga bisita, sa mga ibang PR, na pumupunta dito tuwing may event, nagsusupport, nakikipaglaro, nakikipagtawanan, nakikipagkulitan. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Maraming salamat sa time, sa pasensya, patience, and your kindness. And to all those who are active or quietly watching from afar, you're part of what makes this group what it is. Sabi ko nga, kung wala kayo, walang Max.
Pahabol pa, sorry. Medyo may nakalimutan pala ako. Si Warka, yung bagong BFF ni Chai, maraming salamat sa'yo kasi ikaw yung naging medyo sandalan or voice out person ni Chai nung basta yun. So maraming salamat sa iyo sa pakikinig sa amin or nakipagkulitan. Maraming salamat dahil kung wala ka siguro patay na rin si basta yun. And to Eugene, maraming salamat sa iyo kasi ikaw din naging part ng Max, pero yun nga dahil na broken na lumipat or kaya nawala, and ngayon na medyo okay na yung pakiramdam, bumalik din. So thank you sa pag-alala sa Max na hindi mo rin nakakalimutan kahit paano, at isipan mo talagang bumisita sa amin at magpakita. Uy, Eugene. And sino pa ba? May nakalimutan ako? Wala na ata. Basta sa mga nakalimutan ko, sorry and pasensya kasi malit lang yung utak ko, hindi lahat nakaka-remember. So kung sino man yung hindi ko nabanggit, maraming salamat sa inyo kasi you became part of this squad. Naging parte kayo talaga ng squad. And sabi ko nga, kung wala kayo, wala tong squad, hindi to mabubuo, hindi to tatagal ng 1 year. 1 year. And sana, palagi pa rin kayong nakasupport. Patuloy pa rin. Kahit mga walang event, kahit kung nabuboard kayo sa buhay-buhay nyo, balik lang kayo dito makipag-usap. Kung wala, i-chat nyo lang yung mga nandito, chat nyo lang sila, uy, nandito ako sa PR, ganun. And akit naman siguro ngayon kung hindi sila busy para makipag-usap sa inyo, guys. So sa lahat ng mga members, may mga naaalala ako, si Kudeps, si Kiara, si Ace pala, oo, Ace, si Makoy, si MJ, sino po ba? Yun na muna yung naalala ko sa ngayon. So, kayo, maraming salamat sa inyo, sa mga kulitan ninyo dito. And, hindi naman namin kayo totally na-forget. Once in a while, pag-uusapan din namin kayo, naiisip namin kayo. So, and we miss you a lot. We miss you. Very, very. Siopaw, yung makulit dito, yung makulit na pinakaunang anak-anakan ni Chai, na yun, salamat sa'yo. And sino pa ba? Si Ace ng Laguna, si Renzo, si Lexi, si Ambi, ayun, basta, yun. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
O nga pala, kay Thea. Uy, Thea. Baliw na baliw. Pinakabaliw sa Max ba? Ikaw, Thea. Uy, magbakon. Ay, sorry. Huwag na. Salamat sa iyo, Thea. Salamat sa support. Salamat sa walang sawa mong sa amin. Pagsusupport talaga. Yun talagang hindi namin mawaring kalimutan sa'yo. Okay. To give you a little history of mine, paano ko nakilala ang Max at paano ako natagpuan itong OFO, kung saan nakapaloob ang Max, ikukwento ko. One day, isang araw, I stumbled upon an ad for the OFO app on Facebook, and at first, I ignored it. Just another pop-up, I thought, but it kept showing up again and again. Then, out of curiosity, I gave in and installed it. At first, I was just scrolling, observing in silence. Then, I discovered the party rooms. Aba, may nagsasalita. I was so intrigued. So, I listened. Sa baba lang ako, nakikinig. Quietly enjoying the people, sharing their stories, talking about their day went by, nagkukumustahan, nagkukantuhan na parang nasa coffee shop lang ba. And then, until I came across Chai's PR. And that was mid-June of 2004. And so, that was the turning point. One of the pioneer member, Mrs., an Ilocano lady, spoke to me in Ilocano. And I was shocked and I said, uy, second dialect ko to Yun, kinausap talaga ako ng Ilocano. So, I felt familiar, the warm, the welcoming. Kasama niya si Ace noon, si Ace na pioneer admin din dito. Tsaka si Igar, si Ror. And they encouraged me to stay. Mabait naman sila kasi approachable. Kaya nakuha nila yung loob ko. They made me feel seen. Siguro, hindi nila ako kinausap nung araw na yon. Kasi, ang ugali ko talaga is, pag naintriga ako sa isang bagay, itatry ko yan. Pag hindi ko nagustuhan, pangatlong araw, alisin ko na, hindi ko na itutuloy. So, siguro pag di nila ako kinausap that day, I would probably uninstall the app. And maybe never known you guys and the beautiful chaos that this OFO community has. I wouldn't have met you all, the amazing virtual friends who became part of my everyday life. And of course, ito na, the most unforgettable chapter of my journey here in OFO was meeting Echo. The guy who made me feel loved, who made me feel like I mattered, and he was also the first one to break my heart. The first one that I cried over. The first one, the only guy na nagpayak sa akin. But despite of that pain, I am very thankful kasi he became my inspiration in all. Kung dati para akong yung dahon na nililipad ng hangin, na walang plano sa buhay, parang walang patutunguhan ng buhay. Which is, I was just going with the flow of life. But then, when he came in my life, nagkaroon ako ng isa pang purpose sa buhay. Kaya, maraming salamat sa iyo, Aiko, for the love, for the friendship, and you will always be part of me. Even if we don't end up together, maybe, we don't know, your name is etched deep in my, not just in my heart, but also in my hypothalamus. Science never lies day. Science talaga yan. Okay, from one random click to a year of laughter, tears, joy, love, and connection, this journey has meant more than words can fully capture. Kaya, thank you, Ofo. Thank you, Max. Thank you, friends, old and new. And everyone I've built a band with, you know who you are kasi I always tell you when there's a chance. I want to take this moment to say thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for the friendship, the laughter, the stories, and the moments you've shared with me. For every connection I've made here in Max, it means a lot to me. But along with that gratitude, I came with a humble heart to ask you for forgiveness. Sa lahat ng masasakit na salitang nabitawan ko, sa mga puso't damdaming nadurog dahil sa aking pananalita, ako'y taus-pusong humihingi ng paumanhin. I am fully aware that my words can be sharp. Alam ko rin na madalas akong walang preno, na walang sala, walang filter. Hindi ako marunong mag-sugarcoat. And I've never ever pretended to be someone I'm not. Kaya, ganun talaga. Pero, I believe in truth and honesty. And I also believed in growth. Sana sa lahat ng masasakit na salita, may nakuha kayo sa mga pangaral na kayo ay lumago. Hiling ko sana na hitapon ninyo ang hinanakit ko sa akin at magsimula ulit tayo. As we welcome a new month and begin with New Year of Max, I'm making a promise. I will try to filter my words and be more mindful of how I speak. I won't involve myself in your personal lives unless you ask me to. We are all free to do what we want. From now on, I'll choose to look away and respect boundaries and to give space. But at the end of the day, please, hiling ko lang sa inyo, come home to Max. Johan, huwag lang puro kami ha. And saka, unless wala ka na, sana marunong ka rin bumati ba? Dati. Mas marami ka ng oras sa ibang pama. Walang silbi ang pagsusot ng badge mo kung di ka rin lang marunong pumili sa bahay mo. Kahit mag-say hello ka lang naman. O, sana bati-bati din. Okay, pagkawan kita ng sana magustuhan mo. Gumagala ka ng malaya. Max badge ay dala. Sa ibang PR, doon ka napagsaya. Ngunit pag dumating, ikay nagbabalik sa Max PR kung saan ligtas ang iyong parang ibong dilaw naghahanap ng iba. Kalayaan ang nais sa sariling katha. Ngunit sa panganib, puso'y tumatawag. Inang kandong ay laging naghihintay. Kaibigang Johan, ang Max PR ay laging bukas kahit ikay lumayo. Sa dulo ng iyong lalakbay, doon ka pa rin babalik. Taglay ang pangalan at ang pangangailangan. Okay guys, I know mahaba na itong speech ko, pero don't worry, malapit na to sa conclusion. Okay, let's leave behind, Max, mga kaibigan ko dyan. Let's leave behind the bitterness, the tampo, the pride, and the pain. Let's set them aside and allow ourselves to build the new memories together. If needed, let's erase the things that hurt us. Let's stop bringing them up, even in jokes. Let's not remind each other of the pain, so we can all start into healing. So, magnificent angels and night squad, let's welcome this new month here with open hearts. Let's start fresh. Let's create another year filled with memories, laughter, tears, and even pain. Because that's what makes us real. That's what makes us family. That's what makes us Max. Mabuhay ang Max. Nga pala, Chay. Ito para sa'yo. Chay, kahit saan man dalhin ang tadhana, kahit ibang sagisag sa dibdib ko'y madama. Ang ugat ko'y dito ako nagmula. Sa Max, ang puso ko'y hindi mawawala. Gaya ng sabi ko, isang tawag lang, nariyan ako. Lapitan niyo ko, huwag kayong magtago. Kaibigan, kapatid, pamilya kayo. Sa puso ko'y may puwang, totoo, hindi biro. Ate, wala ako. Kayo'y mayroon ako. Isang kapatid na nagmamalasakit ng totoo. Ako'y naghahanap din ating mag-aaruga, ngunit wala akong matagpuan. Nakakalungkot talaga. Hindi basta-basta, tiwala ko'y binibigay, lalo na sa online. Ingat, dapat araw-araw. Ngunit iba kayo. Kakaiba ang iyong taglay. Sa Max na tagpuan, tunay at dalisay. Kaya Chay, sana'y huwag magdamdam sa aking pagdagdag sa badge ng Igorot. Ako'y proud na talaga sa aking dugo at pinagmulan. Ipinagmamalaki ang dugong Igorot talaga. Ngunit puso'y sa Max pa rin mananahan, magpakailanman. Kaya Chay, kanang magtampo. Okay, as days goes by, or months goes by, umuunti tayo dito. So, mula sa kaunti, dumadami, at mula sa madami, umuunti tayo. Pero, aanhin mo ba ang madami kung halos lahat naman pakitang tao or fake lang, di ba? So, it's better na kaunti. At least, sila ay totoo, di ba? Kaya, Chay, sa mga hinaing mo, bakit ako iniiwan? Bakit lagi na lang ako mag-isa? Kaibig-ibig ba ako? Ito lang masasabi ko sa'yo. Aanhin mo ang madaming kasama at kaibigan kung di naman totoo. Kung in the long run, ay ibabackstab ka rin naman, di ba? So, mas mabuti na yung kaunti sila. At least, totoo, nagmamalakasakit sa'yo. So, siguro, yun lang. So, yun lang masasabi ko sa'yo, Chay. So, ikaw, chill lang, kalma lang. So, maligayang anibersaryo sa ating lahat. At maraming salamat.